So we are from different places. We have come to celebrate Christmas here. We have one more family from a place called Sivagangai. A doctor and his wife and child from Tamil Nadu is also here. From different places, including the Kashmiris and other people from Jammu and Kashmir and all the other states. One more family from Andhra has come, and we are all celebrating together. Yesterday night we had a service, Christmas night vigil service with
How are the celebrations going on?
visited many times, but my wife and children, this is the first time we are visiting. It's a place of love, sharing, caring, and the season of Christmas. We wish everyone a Merry Christmas and a prosperous and a healthy New Year. Thank you. For the climate, we heard we are not that after 133 years we had -9 in Srinagar city, the temperature, the weather. And we went around to the Pahalgam, we went to Chandanwari, we had this way to Chandanwari, we went to Kaman Setu, we went to Dudbetri, we went to different places, Gulmarg, Sonamag and other places. Sonamag we couldn't reach, we are not going to Sonamag, but so different places. We are guiding internally of other families who are here.
To each and everybody, my name is Aaron Abhi Sabarwal and I'm a local Kashmiri Christian. I am currently residing in Srinagar. First of all, I would like to extend my heartwarm greetings to the people of the valley, the people of the world and the rest of the India. I am quite happy, and of course I would like to extend my heartwarm greetings. A very happy Christmas to each and everybody, especially to the people of the valley, my friends and my family members. And I am also quite thankful to the media personals who are here today, the security personals who are here to ensure our safety. And I'm quite happy that all the program, it was a success and it concluded successfully. And even the locals, the non-Christian people, they are also here to witness this joyous occasion.
Thank you.
Of course, we prayed for the peace and prosperity of the whole world, including our own motherland, including our Kashmir Valley. We prayed especially for all those nations which are currently in middle of war. We know a genocide is taking place. I don't think I need to speak much. I don't want to be diplomatic, but a nod is enough to the wise. We know what is happening in the Middle East, especially in countries like the Lebanon, Syria, Palestine and Gaza. We prayed for all those people. Even last Christmas, we prayed for all of them, and even now we are praying on an individual level. We pray for them, our own personal intentions, and for our family and friends.